Are you ready to be a full-time entrepreneur? If your answer is yes, that's one of the best decisions you can make concerning your career path. And here's why. When you're an entrepreneur, you are your own boss. You create your own schedule, and you are the one who's responsible for making as little as possible or as much as possible. There is no limit. Now, you do have to keep in mind, since you are your own boss, you have to hold yourself accountable. It's up to you to do it. Yes, you can be motivated to get up and do what you need to do, but the best motivation is your own motivation. Some things you can't teach, some things you can teach, but it's worthless until we apply it. The next thing about entrepreneurship is that you get to test yourself. You get to push yourself to the limit. You get to expand your mind. You get to expand your knowledge. You get to expand your skill set as an entrepreneur. Usually, when you're in a 9-to-5, you're boxed into a job description. And in order to increase your knowledge and skill set, you have to climb up the ladder. But as an entrepreneur, you can do that right away. You create your own title, and you have control over what goes on in your own business. And the best thing, in my opinion, about being an online entrepreneur is that you can do all of these things from anywhere around the world that has an internet connection. That is the beauty of the internet. You do not have to be tied down to a specific location. With an online business, there's no barriers. There's no walls. You can reach people anywhere. If you're in California, you can reach people in Detroit. If you're in Miami, you can reach people in Kansas. You can reach people in Europe or whatever. That's the power of the internet. Start an online business today. The best online business, in my opinion, is e-commerce. There's a lot of business models you can do. I don't downplay any of them, but when it comes to e-commerce, you can get started right away. Just turn the switch on and get started. You don't have to meet any thresholds. There's no caps or anything like that. You just make sure you find a product that works, people like, people want to buy, and then get them running. Now, if you want to know how to get customers, if you want to know how to get people to buy from your online store, then make sure you check out my course at gracefirstsuccess.com. Listen, invest the $49 to get the knowledge that can take you from not getting many sales to getting even more sales, and to learn the secrets and tips and tricks on how to continue to do that and continue to scale that and to do it profitably. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.